Hello everyone, in front of me is DOOGEE S100 and let me show you how to activate developer options. At first, find and select Settings, then scroll all the way down and go to About Phone. Now locate build number, so here it is. All you have to do is to tap on it 7 times. Then draw an unlock pattern, and as you can see from now on, you are a developer. Now enter System, and developer options appeared right here. Click to open, manage however you like, use whichever options you only want to, and when you want to lock it again, just unmark the stop indicator, click on Restart, so your device would be restarted to change this setting. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.